Flexible polyurethane foam can be found all around us. In our homes, you'll find polyurethane foam in every room, from our kitchen sponges to our sofas, mattresses, and hygiene and cosmetic pads. It's even in our walls and floors. The versatility of flexible polyurethane foam allows it to be customized to fit a wide range of applications, making it a go-to material for many industries. In the transport sector, polyurethane foams can be found in vehicles such as cars, trains, airplanes, and boats, making your journey safer and more enjoyable. We also wear it every day, as it's an essential component in shoes and bras. And you'll find polyurethane foam in your local gym, cinema, and hospital. So, whenever you need excellent comfort and support, you can count on flexible polyurethane foams for a sustainable and recyclable solution.